Hey guys, what is up? So as you can see and probably hear, we are finally in our new home. I am going to be giving you guys a house tour. Now, disclaimer, it was supposed to be an empty house tour, but y'all, oh my gosh, I'm talking like a Texan now. Y'all, everything has been so crazy. If you guys have watched my life update video, or if you haven't watched it, go watch that first because it'll make so much more sense, and then come watch this house tour video. But that's it. I am finally here. Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to finally be here. It's been a journey. I'm so excited to share with you our new home, our beautiful purchase. We are officially now living in Texas. So I hope you guys enjoy this house tour video, and tons of content coming your way. So much content with lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, organizing, shopping, all that fun stuff. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss a video. Mr. Lincoln is awake, so let's start with the house tour. All right, so we're gonna start here. This is the garage. As you can see, we are moving everything in because it's just been so crazy. Here's Mrs. Cleo. This is the hallway. When you turn left, this is the first room. To the left, this is going to be the washer and dryer. This is where all the hookups are. We have a nice big window. There's our U-Haul. Still trying to put stuff in. And when you walk back into the main hallway, the first thing you see to the right is the gate to go upstairs. We have another nice window which lets tons of natural light in, and then this is the front door, which comes with a nice security padlock. The stairs we're gonna go up, and you guys, the kitchen is definitely my favorite part. Of course, I'm a woman, so sorry that this isn't like empty, but life has been crazy and we literally had to start packing everything. And my favorite part is that the ceilings are so high. We have so much natural light. So this is the kitchen. I wish I would have filmed this before we brought in all this stuff, but it is what it is. Obviously we gotta get some curtains, or I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but I absolutely love the kitchen. This is where the fridge is gonna go, which we just bought a new one, and it actually won't be shipped out until March 10th. So that'll be fun to wait. I love this. It has gray, the backsplash, I don't know, but I love it. I love the estufa, microwave, and then obviously we have all the cabinets. This is the pantry, which is so big compared to the one we had. I'm so excited to like go grocery shopping. And then you might not be able to see it, but this is actually like a small little island. We have the dishwasher here, and then we have the sink. I love this. It's so pretty. We have Mr. Lincoln over here fighting his sleep. Are you ready to go, Mimi's? We have here, this is going to be like the dining room area, and then obviously the living room. I love this. It's like a little nook. I'm thinking of throwing some like throw pillows, maybe like a cute little blanket. And then back here you have the door to the outside, which the backyard is humongous as well. We just got our grass installed a few weeks ago, which is why it looks super dry, but we have a lot of room to play in the backyard, which makes me so happy. Obviously having kids, like parties and all that stuff, it's gonna be so much fun. Come on, Cleo. So that is the backyard. We come back inside. There's another look at the kitchen, and I love those light bulbs, and I love that we have these LED lights. I'll be right back, okay? And here is the guest bathroom, which is right next to or connected to the kitchen. This right here is a linen. Oh no, this is a regular closet. You can hang, you know, like coats and stuff like that. And then this is actually the guest bathroom. What's up? It is a half bathroom. So obviously we need to go shopping. We're just literally moving in right now. What, baby? I'm trying to give the people a house tour. You want to come with me? Okay, hold on. Nappy nap? Alright guys, the tour shall continue. So next to the kitchen, we have a linen closet. It's gonna be hard for me to film with one hand. Linen closet, you get the idea. And this is the master bedroom. This is going to be mine and Brian's. Oh my gosh, the bathroom is so pretty. I'm gonna turn on the lights. So that's the closet light. You guys, this closet is humongous to die for. Like, it is ginormous. And this is the shower. Oh, I love this shower. I've always wanted one of these. It is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna take a shower tonight. And I love that it has a his and hers sink. The mirror is huge. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Life of a mom. Yeah, this is the bathroom, master bathroom, and then it has the little toilet in here. I'm obsessed with our bathroom, and it has these little like 2 doors, so you just close them. All right, so now we shall go upstairs. Since the master bedroom is all done, let's take a quick tour upstairs while Lonnie babysits. So these are the stairs that are gonna take us to the upstairs, up top living space. So as soon as you get up, straight is another living room. This is what they call a gaming area, but more than likely we're gonna use this to watch movies, like family nights, things like that. Kind of like a mini theater. I love this, and this shows you how high it is. Like, this is dangerously high. But I love that all the walls are gray and white, and the carpets are also gray. Oh, hello. Mismatching socks. So this room right here, we're thinking this is going to be Lonnie's room. We still haven't figured that out. This room is going to be locked. This is an attic. And like I said, this might be Lonnie's room. We're still like trying to figure out what to do, but I don't like these lights. They literally remind me of nipples. But this room is so pretty, and it's nice and big. And hello, neighbors. So there is that. This is the other bathroom. Oh my gosh, I keep turning on the wrong one. So I believe this house has 3.5 bathrooms. This is the one that's connected to the room, tub, shower, toilet, and then the sink. And then here she would have her own closet, which I think is nice. Oh, there we go. It's a pretty big closet. Going this way, this is, I don't know, this is just a little nook area. But if you come over here, there is another bathroom. This is another full bathroom. So the sink, and then shower and tub, and then next to it is another room. I feel like this is going to be my beauty room. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones, and I don't need or want that much space. And then this one also has a closet inside, which is that one. And then off to the right, we have two of these. They call them storage rooms, but honestly, they're so big. They're just like empty little rooms. And then over here is another room. This one as well is pretty big, and it also has its own closet. So the house has four bedrooms. I like this one. This one's really pretty as well. I keep turning off the wrong light. Hallway light. And then I'm guessing this is the attic, which is scary. But that's pretty much does it. This is another room, another storage room. And then this is the other linen closet. So we have tons of space to store whatever we want. And just going back downstairs. I love the railing, it's so pretty. And now we gotta fill up the space. Even though it's messy right now, but that is it, you guys. And there you have it. There is the house tour for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what content you want to see next, because I have so much in my noggin. So I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.